Okay, today we're going to have a go at drawing this parabolic bookcase. As you can see, it's a parabolic curve and the vertex is at the bottom. So our vertex is right there. What I've done already is I've drawn the central axis, so you have to find the halfway point. So measuring the base is 150, halfway point is going to be 75. Next we're going to draw our curve in two different parts. So we're going to focus on this part and we're going to leave that alone for now. So in this rectangle I want to split this edge into 5 equal parts. So again, it's 75, which means it's going to be 15 and 15 and 15. Also split this into 5 parts, so it's 160 divided by 5, which means each of these will be 32. There's our axis. So parallel to our axis, we're going to put in these vertical lines. And from the vertex, we join to the side. Now the vertex is at the bottom of this drawing, so our lines look like this. To pick out our points, our vertex obviously, then our first set of lines, our second set of lines, our third set of lines, and our fourth set of lines, and finally the bottom corner. Next we draw our curve. And there we are. There's half of our parabolic curve done. So the next thing I'm going to do is to replicate that over here. So again, I'm going to split this into 15mm sections. Parallel to the axis, we're going to draw our vertical coordinate lines. To make it a little bit easier to find, I'm just going to copy these lines straight across. So again, we have our points here. And we can draw the curve. There's our parabolic bookcase. Into this we are meant to draw some shelves. So if we look at our drawing, we can see that there's 8 spaces. We can see that each of these spaces is equal. So if we do the maths, it's going to be 160 divided by 8, which is going to give us 20. So I'm going to mark off every 20mm. And those are my horizontal shelves. Next, we have to put our vertical divisions in. This is a little bit different to the ones we've already used. Okay, so if we look here, you can see there's 8 spaces. It's 150mm long. So if we do the maths, it comes out at 18.75mm. Now that's pretty close to 19. So if I give it a go, you're not really going to be able to pick out that accuracy, that 18.75 millimeters. So let's give it a close go at 19 millimeters and let's see what happens. And again, we draw our vertical lines. And there's our shelf unit.